Can you guys remember the dickhead? You know the one. The dickhead. Well, she decided that it were a good idea to bark all the way through the night and wake everyone up in the morning. Honestly, that dog, ooh, that dog. I'm gonna kill that dog. I'm not really gonna kill the dog. That was just a joke, people. That was just a joke. I'm not going to kill the dog. Yet. Anyway, today we are going to be working on a religious sleeve, and I'm going to be time-lapsing that sleeve, and I'm going to be putting in that time-lapse in this video, so you get a vlog and you get a time-lapse. So I'm giving you the best of both worlds. I'm just delivering. I am just delivering on content. But what we're going to be working on is a devil statue. The guy's going for a religious sleeve, so he wants heaven top, hell bottom. So yes, we've got a devil statue to do. And also, I want to talk about tattoo artist problems. But I'll talk about that in a minute. Okay, so you guys know what I'm on about. Stop me if you've heard this one. You do a design, like this design is incredible. You send it to your client, and your client's like, yeah, that's mint. That's absolutely mint. No problem so far. But then, mainly he or she or them, turn round and say, I just need to get the okay from my partner. Such an annoying thing to deal with. I've dealt with this so many times. And then what happens is, after you've spent hours upon hours designing for them, and they actually like the design, the girlfriend turns round, or the boyfriend, or whatever, turns round and says that they don't like it. So then the client then turns round to you and tells you that they love the tattoo, but they can't have it because their partner does not like it.
Damn! Pussy whipped is some real shit.
Do me a favor, drop a comment if you've had that one. Number 2 on my list of tattoo artists. You know what? Never mind. Scrap it. I'll tell you in a minute. Roll the time lapse. Now, number 2. Number 2 would be, you are doing the normal thing that normal people do at 3 a.m. in the morning. Sleeping. And then you get a message come through on your socials asking about a tattoo. Fair enough. Fair enough. People can message you whenever they want, and you will get that message when you get that message. However, you do not reply within 5 minutes at 3 a.m. in the morning. And then that person follows up with the dreaded double question mark.
Inconsiderate assholes!
Who in their right mind is going to be up at 3 a.m. ready to take that message? Boggles the mind. Boggles the mind. Now here's a good one for you. You are at home. You are in your personal time. You spend 20 to 30, even 40 minutes going back and forth on messages with a potential client. Now this potential client is coming with all the ideas. Oh yes, they are. Every single idea that you love to do, they are coming with, and you are getting excited.
Great.
But then what happens is, you mention the dreaded deposit to secure that booking, and then blanked. Completely blanked. Now if they don't ghost you, you've got one other option coming. Because I guarantee it's not booking in. They'll turn around and they'll say to you, I'm sorry, I'm not ready to book quite yet, but I will message you when I am ready. Then why not message me when you are ready in the first place? Makes no sense. So next on my list of tattoo artist problems, the problems that every tattoo artist deals with would be, and it's a corker, some would say
A screamer!
and that is your waiting list. More specifically, clients determining the factor of whether you are good or bad off the back of your waiting list.
Oh, wow!
There is many a list that I could go through of the problems that tattoo artists have to deal with, but that one really grinds my gears. I know some of the single greatest, best artists in the world that do not have a waiting list, that do not have bookings. For God's sake, I'm not saying I'm one of the greatest in the world, but I'm good enough and I'm a lot better than some of the people that have got a waiting list coming out the door, and I haven't. I don't have a waiting list. Does that mean I'm rubbish? No, it does not. But clients just seem to assume that a waiting list is everything. It is not. Clients, if you are listening to this, if you are thinking about getting a tattoo, a waiting list does not determine whether an artist is good or bad. Do you know what does? A portfolio. A portfolio determines whether the artist is good or bad. Right, that is enough of tattoo artist problems. We have better things to do. And right now, that would be to go and sing happy birthday to my daughter because it's a birthday. Warning now, I do apologise for my extremely bad singing voice. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Phoenix. Happy birthday to you.
Do you want to blow it out with Fifi? Come on then. Blow it out with Fifi. 1, 2, 3.